Hey, FUELhouse, Coach Mal here. I wanted to just check in and see how everyone's doing with the current programming that we are focused on in group classes right now. For those of you that haven't read up on any of the posts that we've made or seen videos, just want to remind you that we started our Spooky Strength Showdown strength programming a couple weeks ago. And basically we're focused on progressive overload training behind our barbell deadlifts, our barbell squats, and our pull-up strength. And then we're working on our endurance behind our kettlebell swings and kettlebell snatches so that we are ready and prepared to show up and challenge ourselves on October 26th at the Spooky Strength Showdown. So what you should be expecting in classes is seeing this strength focus on Mondays and Wednesdays in between barbell deadlifts and barbell squats. Over the course of the next couple of weeks, you'll notice that rep count goes down, which means we're going to be increasing load over each week. And you'll see a rotation happen between barbell deadlifts and squats so that some days we'll have them on a Monday, other days we'll have them on a Wednesday, so they'll flip-flop, okay? And then you'll always see in the barbell Saturday class that we are focused on some form of a hinge strengthening movement. So that could show up as a barbell Romanian deadlift, could be pause deadlifts, could be banded deadlifts, and squats will always be our accessory movement to strengthen behind that deadlift. Tuesday, Thursdays, we're focused on kettlebell endurance right now, as well as accessory work for strength behind the squat and the deadlift. If you don't kettlebell snatch, no worries. You're getting really strong behind your kettlebell single arm swing, which is one of the events that we are testing at the Spooky Strength Showdown on October 26th. Progressive overload training in those lifts, those big lifts, the deadlift, the squat, and then you're seeing endurance training in your kettlebell swings and snatches. So for you as a member, you should be tracking your weights over time and knowing what you need to be looking forward to in the following weeks of training. So you're building in load each week. Okay, so come in, have a little journal to be tracking this down with, all right? And then show up, sign up for the strength challenge on October 26th. It's up to you to gauge your hour in a group fitness class. The template that you see on the whiteboard is generalized fitness for everyone, but you as an individual need to know where you're at in that moment, okay? Work with your coach on the floor, talk to them, let them know how you're feeling. But if you're going in there and you're really tired, then you know that you need to turn those lifts more into tempo work than going really heavy that day. You know that we've got movement prep at the beginning of every strength focus, and that is to prepare you for that big lift. So in that movement prep, we aren't going for heavy load. We're going for light load, higher reps. We're also getting the heart rate up, and it's all about activation. If you have any questions or comments on our current programming, just a little DM me, email, whatever you need, or comment right here, and happy to explain our method to our madness.